17 dangerous cruise ship mistakes you need to avoid at all costs. Cruise ships are full of secrets that the crew will never tell you. Whether you're in a fancy suite or a small inside cabin, danger could be right outside your door. Some mistakes will cost you hundreds of dollars. Others could get you kicked off mid-cruise. We're talking fines, fire hazards, safety violations, and even lifetime bans. Today we're going to uncover the 17 things passengers keep doing in their cabins, so you don't end up making a mistake that ruins your vacation. Stick around till the end, because some of these rules are things almost everyone breaks without even knowing it. First off, let's talk about a common trap in cruise ship cabins that you've probably never thought twice about. That cold bottle of water and those yummy snacks in your minibar look harmless, right? Big mistake. Here's the truth the cruise lines don't want you to know. Even if you have the unlimited drink package, nothing in that minibar is included. I'm going to give you a real example. On Royal Caribbean, a can of soda that costs $3 at the bar will cost you $7.50 in the minibar. And the worst part is, many passengers don't even realize it until they see their final bill, with mystery charges of $50, $100 or more. So, how does this trap work? The cruise lines put those items right where you can see them and easily grab them, hoping that when you get a craving or feel a bit lazy, you'll give in. And believe me, it works. According to internal data, the minibar generates an average of $25,000 extra in profit per cruise for the cruise line. But here's your secret weapon. Instead of falling for the minibar trap, do this. Order your drinks from any bar where they're included. Bring your own snacks from shore. Use room service, which is included in your package. Remember, every dollar you don't spend on the minibar is an extra dollar for that special shore trip or that relaxing massage that will really be worth it. And if you really need something from that minibar, at least check the prices first on the cabin menu. You'll be surprised by how different they are from prices in other parts of the ship. Think twice before you light up that cigarette on your private balcony, because what happens next could totally ruin your cruise. Here's a scary fact for you. In 2023, Carnival kicked out 147 passengers just for smoking in their cabins. No warnings, no second chances. They'll make you get off at the next port, and you have to pay for your own trip back home. But that's not all. The minimum fine for smoking in the cabin is $250. If you trigger the smoke detectors, and believe me, they're super sensitive, you'll pay an additional $500. The detectors can even identify vapes, so don't even try. Why are they so strict? A single poorly extinguished cigarette caused a fire on the Star Princess that destroyed one cabin and severely damaged 13 others. Now all cruise lines watch for this with thermal cameras and the latest sensors. If you need to smoke, only use the special smoking areas, always on the open deck. Check the times. Many cruise lines don't allow smoking after midnight. Keep in mind that some new ships don't have any smoking areas at all.
Now that you know this, wait till you hear about mistake number 3. Because what's coming next is a sneaky trick cruise lines use to take hundreds of dollars from you and you won't even notice.
Those soft white robes and fluffy towels? They look like great souvenirs, but they'll cost you big time. Cruise lines use a tracking system that makes the CIA look like amateurs. Here's how they catch you. Towels and robes have RFID chips sewn into the tags. The ship's exits have hidden scanners. If you take something you're not supposed to, an alarm will sound when you get off. The prices you'll pay are brutal. Cotton robe, $95, even though it costs $25 on Amazon. Large towel, $65. Even pool towels have chips and cost $45. But there's a legal trick. You can bring your own beach towels, no problem. The small hand towels and toiletries are actually free. If you really love that robe, ask at the front desk. Sometimes they sell them officially for less. Those party decorations or family photos you want to hang up could cost you your whole security deposit for the cabin. Cruise ship walls are not like the walls in your house. And cruise lines have very good reasons to be super strict about this. Here's the real problem. The special paint that stops rust is super expensive to fix. Sticky stuff leaves gunk behind that needs a lot of sanding. Even a simple sticky hook can rip off layers of paint. Typical charges for damage: $75 for tape marks, $150 for unauthorized hooks, up to $500 if you damage wood panels or mirrors.